In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook Calendar. This integration is really helpful if you're managing tasks in ClickUp, but rely on your Outlook calendar to plan your day. Once it's set up, your ClickUp tasks with due dates can appear in your Outlook calendar so you don't have to keep switching between tools. Let's start inside your ClickUp workspace. First, make sure you're in the correct space or list where you usually manage your tasks. In this example, we're looking at a list view called All Tasks in a workspace, but the exact name of your list doesn't matter as long as you're in the area where you normally see your tasks. At the top of the page, look for the toolbar where you have options for different views and settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This is where ClickUp hides some of the extra features and integrations that aren't always visible by default. After you click More, a drop-down or side menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that's highlighted for integrating calendars or external tools. In the guide we're following, there's a specific highlighted area you need to click. It may look like an integrations option or something related to calendars. Click on that highlighted option to continue. Once you've done that, you should see an option labeled Outlook Calendar. This is the integration we want. Click on Outlook Calendar. This tells ClickUp that you want to connect your account with Microsoft Outlook so your tasks and calendar events can sync. Now you'll see a window or panel with a button that says Connect. Click on Connect. At this point, ClickUp will prompt you to sign in to your Microsoft account or choose an existing Outlook account if you're already signed in on your browser. Follow the prompts on screen and fill in any required details. This usually includes selecting the Microsoft account you want to use, granting permission for ClickUp to access your Outlook calendar, and confirming the connection. Make sure you read the permission screen so you're comfortable with what's being shared. After you've allowed access and completed the steps, your ClickUp workspace will be connected to your Outlook calendar. From here, any tasks you configure to sync will start appearing in Outlook, helping you keep your schedule and task list aligned in one place.